Basic Math, Chapter 11, Section 4, Sales Tax. Many states charge sales tax on items you buy. The sales tax is a percent of the cost of the item. Finding the sales tax is a percent problem. It has three parts: the tax rate, which is the percent, the cost, which is the whole, and the part, and that's your sales tax. For example, a book costs $7. The sales tax is 6%. So how much sales tax is charged? Step 1, change the percent to a decimal. 6% equals 600ths. Step 2, multiply the decimal by the cost of the item. This is the amount of the sales tax. So 600ths times the $7 of the book equals 42 cents. The sales tax on the book is 42 cents. To find the total cost, add the cost of the item to the sales tax. A book costs $8.50. The rate of the sales tax is 8%. What's the total cost of the book, including the sales tax? So we have a third step. First step, change the percent to a decimal. Second step, multiply the decimal by the cost of the item to get the sales tax. The third step is to add the sales tax to the cost of the book. The $8.50 plus the 68 cents equals $9.18. The total cost of the book with sales tax is $9.18. So we've got a chart here. So we want to find the sales tax for each item and then find the total cost. So for the chart, I could fill in my decimal. Here's 500ths, 700ths, 900ths, 1200ths. Now we've got the cost of the item, so we want 5% of 65 will give us the sales tax. So for number 1, we've got our $65 times the 500ths. And so the sales tax is $3.25. We could do all the sales taxes. We got $35 with 700ths multiplying. Oh, there's a multiply. So we got 35. 21 plus 4 is 24. 2 decimal places. And then we have $120 times 9 cents. So we're going to get 18. So 1080. And then the last one for number 4, $555 with 12% sales tax. So we're going to get so $66.60. Now the total cost, we're going to be adding, put it on this side, we can add the cost of the item with the sales tax. So 65 plus 325 will give us 68.25. And then 37.45. Remember, we're adding the total cost plus the tax. And so that's going to give us 130.80. And then you don't have to do it in your head. You could definitely write it out and line up the decimal place. If the whole number doesn't have a decimal place, then it is automatically to the right of the whole number. You can always add zeros to the right of a decimal place. So this one is going to be $621.60. There's all four of those. All right, let's take a look at practice B. Solve it. The sales tax is 4%. The cost of lunch is $6.50. What is the amount of sales tax? So, what is 4% of $6.50? We can write the 4% as 0.04, multiply that times the 650, and we're going to have 4 times 0 is 0, 4 times 5 is 20, 4 times 6 is 24, plus 2 is 26, and now we have to count up all the zeros, or sorry, not zeros, all the decimal places. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal places. So we're going to put our decimal place 1, 2, 3, 4. And so we have, the answer is 26 cents. So that's how we can do those. If you'd like to practice some more right here, you can pause the video and work them out in your notebook, or take a look at your workbook for Chapter 11, Section 4, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.